What's all this, Justin? What's all that?
I don't want to talk about it.
Hey, Justin, how's it going over there?
It sucks. This is a big one. This is a big one. Don't look at it.
Looks like a legit store.
I've been able to organize it, paddles everywhere. Hey. Oh my goodness, nice to finally see you in the flesh.
This is Justin.
Nice to meet you.
Look at those dogs. Ready to attack.
Oh, they're lifting that house. Post-hurricane, they're lifting the whole concrete slab, everything.
What's all this, Justin? What's all that?
I don't want to talk about it.
Why do you have 103 paddles? What's that behind you? What is all this? Do you think your neighbors like this? They wake up and they just like look at all this?
They love it. Well,
there's only one of you.
some of them were at my friend's house and I had other.
You got more than this?
Yeah, well that's why I built the top racks.
What? Did some of them blow away in the hurricane? Is that why you don't have 60 and you only have 30?
I lost a few, yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah. My daughter even has a couple.
Man, Feel Free must like you a lot. Look at that. Feel free, feel free, feel free. I feel like there's a little bit of bias here. Nice
So
little bit.
the feel free line.
You got one riot.
Yeah, no, I got another ride over there.
You still got a problem with this.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Yeah. So I'm gonna put a tent on it.
I mean, we already saw the problems you had at your house and you want to buy more.
That's why I brought the truck. How can we pass up deals like this?
The American 12. That's legit. What does it look like inside? It's got terrible drainage? Yep, sure does.
Yeah.
Has no drainage. Yuck.
It's a bathtub.
It's a what?
A bathtub.
It is a legit plastic bathtub. Alright, so we got food, guys, and we are out here on Justin's pad. About to enjoy just a little picnic, and then we're gonna get some evening fishing on. Did you get? No, it's not snagged, is it?
No. What the heck? He pulled it into a. Oh, that.
Dude, Justin, that's the biggest fish I've ever seen.
Yeah. Monster Mike. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Yeah, it's just a shrimp.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it.
We're all shrimp.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Oh,
Did you just take its head off?
I did. I'm just gonna take a nice fresh.
I thought you were gonna eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I thought you were just
Now
gonna
you're
Do the next one.
Oh.
Disgusting.
That's pretty good.
You want
Justin talking up another big fish that's actually not there. So here we are recording him.
There's definitely a snook here.
You know, Justin, if you want attention, just say I want attention. Yeah.
Alright, well,
You got a fish.
do you want to help it? It has teeth, mine.
Oh no.
Should've took you out, Dad.
Is it okay?
It's okay, but holy cow! What the heck?
I don't know, man. You weren't even going that fast.
Yeah.
Here, we got a strap up here. This is gonna be great content.
Great, awesome.
Hey, Justin, how's it going over there?
It sucks.
Middle of the road. All right, let's go. Is it good?
It felt solid before. I don't know how this loosened up.
That's probably all right.
There.
All right. What's the damage, man? I mean, I just wish I was recording that turn when it flew out.
Yeah. I'll be able to melt that back with you.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Fine.
You stopped pretty early. Didn't drag it for too long.
Yeah.
Kind of hanging out. Oh, great. Wake!
Be hit by a boat.
Don't feel like that. Feel like you're gonna be smart enough to not get hit by a boat. That's what you should be telling you should be telling yourself positive thoughts. If you tell yourself negative thoughts, then you're gonna set yourself up for failure. You know the key to confidence, the key to being an alpha is always be positive. Never self-doubt. Can't have doubt in your mind, sweetheart.
You're never positive.
I'm positive, like, in a different way. Wow, this is really solid. You can just walk through this.
Sorry, I was trying to turn around.
Hey, grab.
Face you 'cause I can't
Hey.
see you guys coming.
Hey. What is it?
Really big.
Oh yeah, look, that looks like a hermit crab shell.
Yeah. This one has like a, I don't know, I'm not sure.
Come on, hold it.
It's part of an oyster. This would be a prime area though for that skiff. That rotomold skiff.
Yeah, we learned our lesson. Guys, here we were. We came to Florida. We saw everything. We got pretty much the experience. we got a good experience here, and so we're gonna head up. We'll be back here though very soon. We got some big things in the works. Very big.
Heck yeah.
We gotta wait for it though.
This is his Florida home.
It is now.
Yeah, he can come anytime.
All right, guys. See you later.